Hey everyone, welcome back to where we break down complex topics into 6 simple points. Today, we're tackling one of the most important issues of our time: climate change. You've probably heard about it in the news from scientists or even in everyday conversations, but what exactly is climate change and why does it matter? Well, in the next 7 minutes, I'll give you 6 key points to help you understand what climate change is, how it's affecting our planet, and what we can do about it. So let's dive right in. Point 1. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. While these changes can happen naturally, scientists have found that human activities, like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes, are speeding up these changes at an alarming rate. The Earth's climate has always fluctuated, but what's happening now is different. The planet is warming faster than ever before, and this is largely due to the increase in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing what's known as the greenhouse effect. So, in simple terms, climate change is the Earth's way of telling us that something's off balance. Point 2. The role of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are essential for life on Earth. They keep our planet warm enough to live on. But too much of a good thing can be dangerous. Human activities like burning coal, oil, and gas for energy release massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Other activities like agriculture and waste management release methane, which is even more potent than CO2. These gases act like a blanket, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. Over the past century, the Earth's average temperature has increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius. That might not sound like much, but even small changes can have huge impacts. Point 3. The impacts of climate change. So, what happens when the planet gets warmer? Well, the effects are already being felt around the world. First, we're seeing rising sea levels as glaciers and ice sheets melt. This threatens coastal cities and island nations. Second, extreme weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, and droughts are becoming more frequent and intense. Third, ecosystems are being disrupted. Coral reefs are dying, species are going extinct, and forests are being destroyed by wildfires. And finally, climate change is affecting human health, food security, and even economies. In short, climate change isn't just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. Point 4. The science is clear. Some people still debate whether climate change is real, but the scientific consensus is overwhelming. Over 97% of climate scientists agree that human activities are the primary driver of climate change. Organizations like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, have published extensive reports showing the evidence. From temperature records to ice core samples, the data is undeniable. So, while it's okay to ask questions, it's important to base our understanding on facts and evidence. Point 5. What's being done? The good news is that the world is starting to take action. Countries are setting goals to reduce emissions, like the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Renewable energy, like solar, wind, and hydropower, is growing rapidly. Companies are innovating with electric vehicles, sustainable agriculture, and green technologies. And individuals like you and me are making changes, like reducing waste and supporting eco-friendly policies. But there's still a lot of work to be done, and time is running out. Point 6. What can you do? You might be wondering, what can I do to help? Well, the answer is, a lot. Start by reducing your carbon footprint. Use public transport, switch to energy-efficient appliances, and cut down on meat consumption. Support businesses and policies that prioritize sustainability. You can also spread awareness by talking to friends and family about climate change. Remember, small actions add up, and together we can make a big difference. And there you have it, 6 points to understand climate change. From the science behind it to the actions we can take, I hope this video helped you see why this issue is so important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe to 6 Points of Everything for more breakdowns like this. Let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'll do to help fight climate change? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.